Good morning, students. This is the first video of chapter 13, that is understanding quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral means a four-sided figure, a four-sided polygon. So before quadrilateral, let us explain about polygons. Polygon, a simple closed curve made up of line segment. Now I am going to explain what is closed curve and what is open curve. Open curve, a curve whose starting and ending point are different. They are not joined up. So this is an open curve. This is an open curve. If I remove this portion, that part is a closed curve. Here there are some figures. They are the examples of closed curve. Now what is the definition of a polygon? A simple closed curve made up of line segments. जो curve सिर्फ line segments से बन रहा है, that is called polygon. And according to the side, it has different name. If it has three sides, it is called triangle. If it has three sides, it is called triangle. Similarly, four-sided figure, that is quadrilateral, five-side pentagon, six-side hexagon, 7 heptagon, 8 octagon, 9 nonagon, and 10 decagon. So these are the classifications of polygon depending on its sides, number of sides. Now, depending on the angles, there are two types of polygons. One is convex polygon, other is concave polygon. Convex polygons, if all the angles, all the interior angles are less than 180 degree, it is called convex polygon. And if at least one angle is more than 180 degree, it is called concave polygon. So in this figure, A, B, C, D, here angle C. Angle C is an angle which is more than 180 degree. Similarly here, angle S is the angle which is more than 180 degree. So these two are the examples of concave polygon and these are the examples of convex polygon. जो हम लोग इस क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, all are convex polygon. Now another type of polygon, regular polygon and irregular polygon. Regular polygon means whose sides and whose angles are equal. It is called regular polygon. So regular polygon also equilateral and equiangular. So please remember, equilateral means all the sides are equal. Equiangular means all the angles are equal. Similarly, irregular polygons whose sides are different. So these are irregular polygons. This is also irregular polygons because the sides are different. If I say what about the square? Square is a regular polygon because all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal to 90 degree. Now let's have some examples of this type of polygon and some questions related to this. First, we have to learn some formula. First formula, sum of interior angles, that is equal to n-2 into 180 degree. Sum of exterior angles, that is 360 degree. Sum of exterior angles does not depend upon the shape. कोई भी shape हो, sum of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Each interior angle, that is n-2 into 180, सिर्फ अब एक याद रखोगे, upon n. Similarly, each exterior angle is equal to 360 upon n, where n is number of sides. तो ये चार फॉर्मूला के हेल्प से हम कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Question number 1. Find each angle of a pentagon if the angles are in the ratio of 1:2:3:5:9. So when angles are given in ratio, we assume that angles are So we assume that angles are 1x, इसको हम सिर्फ x लिख सकते हैं, 2x, 3x, 5x and 9x. Now we are going to find out what is the sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon. Sum of interior angles of a pentagon. कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? n-2 into 180. n-2 into 180. In pentagon, what is n? What is number of sides? That is 5. 5 minus 2 into 180, that is equal to 540. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 into 180, that is 540. So sum of all this angle is equal to 540 degree. X plus 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 9x equal to 540 degree. From this equation, you can find the value of x. 10, 20. 20x equal to 540. X equal to 540 upon 20, 27 degree. So the angles are first angle is x, that means 27 degree. Second angle is 2 into x, 2 into 27, 54 degree. Third angle is 3 into 27, 3x, 81 degree. Fourth angle is 5x, means 5 into 27, 135 degree. And fourth angle is 9x, 9 into 27, 243 degree. So this is our answer. Now question number 2. The interior angles of a regular polygon is 156 degree. Find number of sides. सिर्फ इंटीरियर एंगल्स है. अगर सम होता तो यहाँ पर सम वर्ड मेंशन रहती. So the interior angles of a regular polygon is 156 degree. What is the formula? The formula is n minus 2 into 180 upon n. This is number of sides. That is equal to 156 degree. We are going to find out the value of n. So n minus 2 upon n, 180, यहाँ पर नीचे, do the cancellation. किससे होगा? Okay. So equal to 13 upon 15. Now the cross multiplication, 15n minus 30 is equal to 13n. So 15n minus 13n equal to 30. 2n is equal to 30. So therefore n is equal to 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. So n is equal to 15. Number of sides is equal to 15. Another question. Is it possible to have a regular polygon whose exterior angle is 50 degree? Why? Means you have to justify your answer. A regular polygon whose external angle. So exterior angle, each exterior angle, what is the formula? The formula is 360 upon n. Each exterior angle is equal to 360 upon n. That is equal to 50 degree. So n is equal to number of sides 360 upon 50, 36 upon 5, which we can write as 7 complete 1 by 5. Now, is it possible to have a polygon whose sides is equal to 7 complete 1 by 5? इस तरह क्या possible है? 7 sided figure possible है, 8 sided figure possible है. Since the number of sides is not a whole number, it is not a whole number, So this type of figure is not possible. So answer is no, it is not possible. Thank you class. That's all for today.